look at the life of Jesus. He picks these 12 guys. And like what I'm hearing from you is I have powerful conversations. I'm showing up in each of my roles powerfully, defining what the relationship is, expectations. And I think sometimes, whether it's a church, a business, some type of organization, a lot of times that's just not present. There's a lack of definition. People don't know where they fit. And so the
Yeah.
momentum and trajectory is really taken off course because we don't know where we're going and really what we're doing. That to me requires a firm foundation and identity to have powerful conversations and powerful definition. What was that, that revelation for you? Was it a moment? I mean, obviously we're all progressing in a relationship with God, but was there kind of a moment for you that there was a shift into this is who I am? And then that became like almost like an internal infrastructure to help you build.
This is going to sound really counterintuitive, Brian. Empower people to make mistakes. The most powerful thing that we did is Steve and I walked into the office one day and we wrote on the whiteboard the three biggest mistakes that we made and we put our names next to them.